Copyright 2022, Smart Dating Over 60 LLC, all rights reserved. If you're an introvert and the idea of flirting with a stranger appears frightening, these methods can make it much easier. If you're a shy man trying to find love, you probably understand how it feels to be overwhelmed and distressed about all the pressures overdid you. Today's dating culture places the onus on males to start discussions, make the first move, and set up dates. You might worry that you'll run out of things to say, or you'll put yourself out there only to be rejected. Maybe you're the nice guy who always ends up in the pal zone. Or you're a people pleaser, tiring yourself to make your date pleased, only to feel unappreciated and unnoticeable. And, after working with numerous trainees and 1-on-1 dating coaching customers, I discovered particular fears showing up again and again, that you will not know what to state and things will get awkward, that you'll be rejected since you're not flirty and fun enough, that you're not cut out for a relation. This is since this part of your brain is primarily concerned with survival. But if you develop a brand new experience like approaching somebody you find appealing when you normally would not do this, your brain states, "Hey, I made it through that," and you slowly begin to get unstuck. So why not gift yourself the experience of in fact feeling great, unwinded, and flirty when you're around someone you like? Here are some introvert flirting ideas to assist you do simply that. Besides, we introverts aren't fans of little talk anyway. I suggest, when was the last time you got turned on talking about the weather condition? No judgment if that's your thing, however, for most, speaking about the upcoming snowfall isn't exactly titillating discussion. The exact same goes for other daily topics that do not include a more personal or emotional element. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.